In this lesson, we're going to evaluate the integral of cosine squared of x by using trigonometric identities. Our goal is to use identities to rewrite the integral in a simpler form. This type of integral often benefits from using what we call the power reduction identity for cosine. For example, the cosine squared of x can be rewritten by using this trigonometric identity. Cosine squared of x equals 1/2 times 1 plus cosine of 2x. This formula helps simplify the integral, making it easier to solve. Let's rewrite our original integral with this identity so that we can make calculations simpler. The original integral will now become 1/2 times the integral of 1 plus cosine of 2x, all integrated with respect to x. We can separate this into two integrals, making them easier to evaluate. We'll have 1/2 times the integral of dx plus 1/2 times the integral of cosine of 2x with respect to x. Let's consider the first integral. It is simply the integral of 1 with respect to x, which yields x. Now let's look at the second integral, cosine of 2x with respect to x. We will use a simple substitution. U equals 2x, making do equal to 2 dx. We'll have dx equal to half of do. Using this substitution, our integral of cosine of 2x becomes integral of cosine u times 1/2 do. This integral, when you solve it, yields 1/2 sine of u. Substituting back and multiplying with the outer 1/2, we get 1/4 times sine of 2x. Finally, if we combine both parts, we have the antiderivative, the 1/2 times x and 1/4 of sine of 2x. Don't forget to add the constant of integration. And there we have it. We've solved the integral using trigonometric identities.